Welcome. If you've ever struggled to keep your Google Drive organized, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you the simplest way to move files between folders in Google Drive using the mobile app updated for 2025. Whether you're tidying up your schoolwork, business documents, or personal photos, these quick steps will help you keep everything right where you want it. Let's jump right in. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your account so you can access your files. Next, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the Files icon. This will bring up a list of all your documents, images, and folders stored in Drive. Now navigate to the folder where your file is currently located. Once you find the file you want to move, press and hold on it for a moment. You'll notice the file is selected and some new options appear on your screen. With your file selected, tap on the three dots usually found at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device. This opens a menu with several actions you can take. From the menu, select Move. You'll now see a list of all your folders in Google Drive. Browse through your folders or use the search bar at the top to find the exact destination where you want your file to go. Once you've picked the new folder, tap Move here, or Move to confirm your choice. And that's it. Your file is now safely relocated to its new home. This process works for single files or multiple files at once. Just select as many as you need before tapping the three dots. Keeping your Google Drive organized doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few taps, you can move your files exactly where they belong and keep your digital life clutter-free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.